Hi, in this short video, I will talk about string comparison. You can compare two strings using the relational operator. In this example, what do you think the output going to be? And because this is a comparison, these output going to be true or false. So string 1 is an apple, all lowercase. String 2 is a banana, all lowercase. String 3 is an apple with uppercase A. Is string 1 equal to string 2? String 1 not equal to string 2? True or false? String 1 greater than string 2? Is apple go before banana alphabetically or after? Which one go before, which one go after? Again, let's look at the example using PyCharm. Let's look at the comparison and let me run debugger so you can see line by line execution. String 1 equal to string 2? Everybody know that's false. Apple is not same as banana. String 1 not equal to string 2? Well, apple is not same as banana. That's true. String 1 greater than string 2? That would be false because apple go before banana alphabetically. String 2 greater than equal to string 1? The string 2 come after string 1? That would be true. String 1 equal to string 3? Lowercase apple, same as apple with the uppercase A? It's not, because they're not exactly the same, not spelled the same way. String 1 greater than string 3? Lowercase apple bigger than apple with the uppercase A? That is true. And you might wondering why this is true. How does Python compare the string then? Well, before that, let's look at this one. What are the output of the following? Take a look at this. I want everybody try and compare yourself. You can write the code in PyCharm so you can see the result, or do the work manually. I will review the answer on during class. So when you compare characters or strings to one another, Python convert the characters into the equivalent ordinal value and compare the integer from left to right. The ordinal value are the ASCII value for the characters. And ASCII is how we encode the character. And this is the ASCII table. ASCII is 7-bit, and for 7-bit, there's 128 different characters, going from 0 all the way to 127. And you can see that letter A, uppercase A, have an ASCII value of 65, and lowercase a have an ASCII value of 97. What that means is, and that's the reason lowercase a go after uppercase A. If you look at a phone book, which some people may never seen a phone book before, um, when you look at things alphabetically, uppercase go before lowercase, and that's the same reason here. In the ASCII letter, uppercase A go before the lowercase a. You also notice that there's some symbol in between the uppercase and lowercase letters, and that's why when you mix string with a symbol like these symbols, a square bracket, backslash, caret, and thing, you had to be careful how the comparison go. You can convert a character into a ordinal value, or an ordinal value to a character using ORD, ORD, or CHR, char function. ORD or A, lowercase a, is 97. ORD or B, the lowercase b, is 98. Again, if you look at the table, lowercase a is 97, lowercase b is 98. These are the ASCII value. And char, CHR, of 66 is uppercase B, and char of 98 is lowercase b. And using that, and I can show that in maybe in a Python shell. So I can say like print, for example, oops, ORD of letter uppercase A or lowercase a. You print 97. Print char of 65. Oops, 65 the number, and it's a uppercase A. This is a Python shell. I will sometimes use a Python shell to show some statement, some simple statement. So take a look at this. What is the differences between uppercase A ordinal value and lowercase a ordinal value? And what about uppercase B to the lowercase b? And let me show you the ASCII table again. If you compare A uppercase to lowercase a, 65 to 97, there's a difference of 32. Likewise, uppercase B to lowercase b, 66 to 98, there's a difference of 32 also. So you can shift the character using ordinal and char function. So what character are displayed in the following code? So I take ordinal or A, which is a number, plus 3, and then take the number, convert it back to character using char. What do you think the output going to be? And we can look at this. And again, I will run debugger to show you what would that be. And I will just do one of this, and we will reveal all the rest of the answer on Thursday, when we meet. So let's step into the code. So if I shift the character A by 3 character, I got uppercase D. I mean, from uppercase A to become uppercase D. Ordinal A plus 25. What do you think? If I start in A, I move 25 character. What do I get? I will get the letter Z. How about if I take ordinal A plus 32? Uppercase A plus 32, and I will get the lowercase a. Using by looking at the difference between the character, you can actually shift the character in the letter.